Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So today I'm back with something very exciting, and I can finally say my jewellery collection is now complete because I now own a Christian Dior bracelet and I'm just over the moon. And I was going to buy it around winter when it first came out, and I thought no, I'll just wait for my birthday, and lo and behold, on my 28th birthday recently I got it. And I will be honest, I have opened it mostly for the gram and just because I wanted to wear it on my 20th birthday, but I've packaged it all back up again how it originally looked, and I'm going to show you guys. And it's pretty much similar to how it all looked when I first opened it, but I just thought I'd tell you guys before, obviously, you know, I show you all. But yeah, it's an absolute beauty. So here's a little box here, and oh god, even the box is so pretty. I love that white and gold, it's just spectacular. And it's one of them boxes that you can just use for display. Well, I know I will, and I'm going to pop it there on my shelf just for everyone to see. And my shelf is pretty much pink, white and gold anyway, so this is such a lovely addition, and it's such a luxurious box. It's like very thick and very firm, and also any dirt will wipe off easily as well, so that's a bonus, just so you guys know. And we've got like a really pretty little bow there as well, and it's just too precious to throw away. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I've got, and yeah, let's get to it. So here I am just about to unbox the bracelet for you all to see, and it's just an absolute beauty, and I think every girl deserves to own one of these bracelets. And honestly, just the packaging alone is just amazing. Look how pretty it looks, and there's the bracelet. When I first saw it, I was just like, wow, my eyes were nearly falling out my head because it's just so beautiful. This Christian Dior bracelet has an elegant and streamlined aesthetic, as well as a very modern and refined touch to it. Yeah, so this is what the bracelet looks like on, and isn't it pretty? It's just so darling and I love it. It's just one of them bracelets that have a very classy touch to them. You could probably wear it to maybe an office meeting or maybe a night out with your friends for a couple of drinks. That is if you don't lose it, of course. And maybe just like, maybe, you know, a brunch in the afternoon, you know, all dressed up nice with your family or your partner. So it's just one of the very flexible bracelets. It's not too, I'd say, grounded to like just wearing it for a solid special occasion. I think it's quite nice to throw on any occasion really, and you can kind of get away with wearing it maybe for the everyday, you know, maybe not every day, but like most days. I've been wearing it here and there so far, and I really like it on just like a standard dress like I've got on today, or just a t-shirt and a blazer, my trousers, pair of loafers, and I've literally just gone out the door. And it's just been an ordinary day, but it's just really nice to have and just to call my own really, if anything. And it comes in a gold finish, and the pearl is just a solid like resin pearl. I don't think it's a real one. It's definitely, you could probably get away with saying it's probably real because that's how good it looks. It's a beautiful bracelet, and the little tag at the back has got the logo and a little tiny diamante, which is very cute. Now, I was originally going to go for the Petit Christian Dior chain bracelet, but my mind changed when my friend stopped me. She said, no, go for this one instead because it's a lot more minuscule, it's a lot more dainty, and it's a lot more you. And at first I was a bit hesitant until I saw it in person, and I definitely just fell in love with this one. And the chain one was a little bit too masculine for my taste anyway, so I'm glad I didn't go for that one. And I think it was like £100 more, and this one was £290, and it's just so girly and it's a lot more feminine in my opinion, and it's just so cute. It's just very tiny and pretty, and I just love it. It's just one of them bracelets I think that you'll just have for life, and because it's just so timeless, you know what I mean? And I love Dior. Dior is one of my favourite luxury brands out there. Dior, Chanel, Chloe, they're probably my top 3 favourite Parisian brands, and you know, Dior is a lot more different. It's got like a very ballerina-esque kind of vibe to it. A lot of tulle, a lot of pink, a lot of very feminine, girly cuts in their clothes. Whereas Chanel's a lot more classy and a lot more tweed, and Chloe's got like a very bohemian twist to it while being very girly at the same time. They're all very different with these elements in their brand, but you know, that's what makes them special, and they're all cute and pretty in their own way. But yeah, so I just opted for this one, and I'm so glad I did in the end, and I'm so thankful my friend steered me into the direction of buying this one. Honestly, I just thank her every day I see her. But yeah, I'd probably highly recommend getting this for somebody as a gift, maybe a graduation present, a birthday present, or maybe just, I don't know, treat yourself. You know, the options are all there for you guys. And this again was £2.90, and it's extremely good quality, and even though it's very tiny, I think it's just one of them bracelets that do stand out, and I think it's all thanks to that little tiny pearl there. And yeah, I think it really would make a lovely present for anybody out there that you know. But yeah, that's pretty much everything for the video, guys. It's not very long today. I just want to do a simple standard unboxing video, just pretty much straight to the point. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Other than that, if you could please give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate that as well. And if you guys subscribe, I'd be over the moon, honestly. And thank you to everyone who's watching who has subscribed recently. I really do appreciate that. It's honestly made my week just seeing how quick we've grown on this channel since my last video, which was the top 10 H&M essential haul video. So if you guys are curious and want to check that video out, please do so. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. I hope you guys are staying safe, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.